Welcome guys, today I have for you a Star BG2. This machine is wired for 220 volts and it is a tool and drill cutter. We'll get into it with the spindle. It does come with a little lamp right here, 110. So we got the spindle going. You can see that most of our features do go on with our tool holder right here. We're going to start off with this side. Whenever you get your piece all set up and locked into place, you could go ahead and do a fine feed, either left and right to a certain degree before it locks yourself out, is what that does. But over here, you do have your little handle, so you could go ahead and start feeding your tool right there. And then you can see that we have a bunch of other accesses over here. So let's get into that. We're gonna start off with, we're gonna make our way from the top all the way down to the bottom. Unloosen this, and now you could go ahead and put this top part, your tool holder, on a nice angle depending on what kind of cut you want to get. We'll go down one, and now you could swivel almost basically 180 rotation, or you can do the 360. Lock that down. And then we also do have your tilt for the left and right. This last lock right here is so you could bring your tool left or right, depending on what you want to do, and lock it down like that. Pretty simple machine, pretty straightforward. Again, this is going to be the Star BG tool and drill cutter. Thank you.